In this module, we'll take a look at how to create sparklines. So what exactly are sparklines? Sparklines are little mini graphs that you can place within a cell. Let's start off by clicking here and then go up and click where it says Insert, Sparkline. Now we have three choices. We'll go with this one right here. From here, it's just a matter of selecting our range. We'll copy our rows down. And then once the sparklines have been created, it's really a matter of just playing with the options. We can change the style, the type, etc. So feel free to toy around with that. And we'll move on. And let's conclude this module by taking a look at other ways to create charts. One way we can create a chart is to select our data and then press our F11 key. When we do that, it'll create a brand new chart. The key here to notice is that it will put it on a brand new sheet. So that's one option for you. And the other way to create a chart is to select your data and then press Alt F1. And as you can see, instant chart. From here, you can modify things by playing with the formatting that we've been looking at throughout this entire module. Or if you want to change the chart type itself, you can right-click on the chart, go down to where it says Change Chart Type, and then you'll see a whole list of charts that you can choose. And that'll do it for this module.